What if one AI tool could replace several expensive subscriptions you're paying for right now? I came across a platform that claims to combine multiple premium AI features into one dashboard. And if it delivers what it promises, it could save creators and marketers a lot of money. Let's break it down. If you're a creator, freelancer, marketer, or online entrepreneur, you already know the struggle. One tool for writing, another for research, another for automation, another for visuals. And every month, you keep paying subscription after subscription. That's exactly why this tool caught my attention. Most AI platforms are powerful, but they're fragmented. You constantly jump between dashboards, logins, subscriptions, and workflows. It wastes time, it costs money, and it slows down productivity. For creators trying to scale fast, that's a serious problem. This platform brings multiple AI capabilities together in one place. You can use it for content creation, marketing copy, research assistance, creative workflow support, faster project execution. Instead of managing several separate tools, you get one streamlined workflow. And that's where the value becomes interesting. The biggest advantage isn't just saving money, it's saving time. When your tools work together in one place, you move faster. That means creating content faster, launching campaigns quicker, testing ideas rapidly, scaling with less friction. For online creators, speed wins. This is ideal if you're a YouTuber, an affiliate marketer, a freelancer, a digital entrepreneur, a small business owner, anyone who wants to leverage AI without paying for multiple platforms. If you want to check out the current pricing and see what's included, I've added the link in the description below. Take a look, explore the features, and decide if it fits your workflow. If the launch pricing is still active, it could be a smart opportunity. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. I review trending AI tools regularly so you can find what's worth using and avoid wasting money on what isn't. Could this replace your current AI stack? Check it here before pricing changes. Let me know what feature stands out most. Explore the AI platform here. Limited time launch pricing may not last.